Hey guys, welcome back to the Bodhi tree where enlightenment is guaranteed. CAT तो सभी देते हैं. In this video, we will discuss 5 reasons why you should take the XAT entrance exam and thus end up with a dream college. Also, stay tuned till the end as there is a bonus 6th reason too. Point number 1 is the brands of top colleges accepting XAT score. After CAT, in India, XAT through हमें best brands के colleges मिलते हैं which are renowned across the country. XLRI हो गया, XIMB, IMT, IMI, GIM, MICA, etc. The legacy of these colleges is great and you get to learn from few of the best and oldest B schools in India. Point number 2 is the salary. Because the brands are old and renowned, salary भी अच्छी ही मिलती है. Colleges like XLRI have salary on par with IIM ABC and XIMB, IMT, IMI, MICA, JIM have salaries comparable with baby IIMs. Another important point is that as the number of colleges accepting XAT has increased, the number of seats through XAT has also increased. Many of the colleges are also increasing the number of campuses across the country. XLRI has now a campus in NCR region. XIMB has increased its campus size. IMT is now at Nagpur and Hyderabad as well. Similarly, now there's IMI Kolkata and Bhubaneswar as well. And many other colleges are increasing the campuses and seats due to the high demand for them. One of the most important points is that you get international exposure through all the top colleges of XAT. International exposure मतलब jobs तो मिल ही सकते हैं, but उससे ज़्यादा important you get to go on student exchange programs to foreign universities. This becomes very important from your CV perspective as ये point सबके CV में नहीं होता है and also you get to learn a lot from these programs. Point number 5 is that there is no percentage requirement in graduation for XAT. That is, it does not matter how much you have scored in graduation, you are eligible to take XAT, unlike most of the other exams including CAT and CET where you need 50% in graduation to be eligible. Again, you will be able to take the XAT exam, but then your selection to top colleges will depend a lot on your XAT score, your personal interview, profile, etc. as you have scored less than 50% in your graduation. Coming to the bonus 6th reason, the decision making section which is exclusive to XAT exam. This section can be tough or easy based on your understanding of the section or based on the tips and tricks you know about this particular section. Also, some of the questions are legitimate real life case studies, so it really puts you in the shoes of a manager. Due to all these reasons and many more, you should definitely write XAT and try to get into one of the top colleges. Focus on cracking XAT now, and to help you with that, we have launched XAT Crash Course. Check out the trial lessons before enrolling for any of the Bodhi Trees bundles. Trial lessons की link description box में है. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to click on the like button, share karo, subscribe to the Bodhi Tree channel, click on the bell icon to get the notifications. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next video.